Today I am showing you the demo of the GrossBlock web-based fixed assets management software. So basically the advantage of web-based software, as you know, is that you can use it from anywhere. You can log in from anywhere, any PC, and even from your mobile phone you can log in and work on the software. So I have logged in. The moment I log in, it shows me the dashboard. So the dashboard is showing us category wise how many quantity of assets you have and the value. And similarly, this table is telling us location wise what is the quantity of assets and value that you have. If we scroll down, this gives us the next 5 warranty dates, when which assets are expiring on what date. So now let us go to the asset register. Asset register is a screen which will give us a list of all our assets in the organization. So you can filter or sort by any word. Suppose example, I want only the printers. So I type the printer and only the printers are displayed here. I can export only this data to Excel or all the entire asset register to Excel also. So if we click on any of these asset, it will open up the complete details of the asset, or the asset card, what we call it as, which gives us the asset ID, category it belongs to, the name, identification number. So if it's a vehicle, it can be the registration number. If it's an electronic item, it can be the serial number. The cost, vendor from where it was purchased, the description of the asset, what date it was purchased, the warranty is valid up to what date, where is this asset located, being used by which department, which employee is responsible for this asset, and the accumulated depreciation and the opening balance date. And here this is giving us how many times we have got this asset repaired in the past and what is the total cost incurred on that. On what date, how much amount spent, and what was done, what repair was done from which vendor. And, when was it last verified, which employee did the verification of this asset on what date. The shifting history, how many times it was shifted. This will track any changes in the department, employee or location. And whenever asset is sold, the sale details will come up here. So this was the detailed asset card from the asset register. Now to start using the software, you'll have to first go to the masters and create your list of categories. Create the list of users who are going to use the software. So you can put in the user email ID and give in the rights, saying whether they're admin user or a regular user or a viewer. So admin can do any add, edit, delete. User can only do the add and edit, no delete, and viewer can only view the data. So next, you can also create your list of employees, list of locations, list of departments, list of accounting years, and the opening balance can be imported here from an Excel file. So with one click from Excel, the data can be imported into the software. Similarly, going forward, all the purchase data can be imported from Excel file or can be manually added here. So if we click on create asset, our depreciation is already calculated. So let me delete the depreciation. I have deleted depreciation and then come back to purchase and try to add asset. So it will allow me to add the asset now. Here I can select the category that I am adding, asset category, give the asset name, cost, on what date it was purchased. Rest all fields are optional. Whichever you want, you can enter them or edit them later also. Similarly, any repairs done on the asset can be entered here, saying on what asset, what cost was incurred on the repair, from which vendor, and the remarks. The AMC details, sale details, shifting details, and the physical verification details. Now, let's come to depreciation calculation. So depreciation, you'll have the categories listed here. You can put in the life for each category, so the rates will come up automatically, and with one click the depreciation calculation is done. And this data can also be exported to Excel. So very simple, easy to use software. I would say it's like a WhatsApp where not much training is needed. Anybody can just log in and start using the software. Thank you.